Are you ready for Christmas 2008? Do you think Santa came?
Yes.
I don't think he did.
I think he did. Go see.
He did. And he even brought Max a toy set.
No.
Which is a little slide. Look, he even brought Max big toys.
Wow, that's neat.
Max, look what you got. I love playing on these things.
Whoa. What did Santa bring you, Carla?
This pocket I want.
Oh my goodness, Santa already came.
The wheel.
Is that a Wii?
The children gave me the football game for Daddy.
Oh, awesome.
This has a mode, I read. Hi, Max.
Harsh, come show me that Spock kit.
Oh, he ate all the food. Oh my goodness.
And he roasted marshmallows.
He did? He roasted them? It's supposed to say mode.
See?
Oh, that's so neat. Congratulations.
Max got a little toy slide. Where are we gonna put this?
In your room.
Santa didn't
There's a
realize
spider right there.
what size house we had. Oh, so, I got it.
David, honey, it's Christmas. It's Christmas. Okay, do your job.
No way. No way.
Honey, I got the wheel. And Max got drums.
Oh, you figured it out.
Max got drums.
Yeah.
And you can turn them on. See? Little baby in the bedroom.
Alright, Santa brought you a Wii. Isn't that incredible?
What games does it come with?
These are the games.
Look, you have golf, bowling,
There's a couple boxing. Yes!
tennis, boxing, and baseball, I think. Oh, man.
Max, wanna open your present?
Yes.
Max, look.
Yes, look.
Max, wanna open your present?
Max, look. These are your presents, honey. Hey, let him open one. Come here, Max.
Maxie,
Let's see if he can open it. Come here, Max.
Maxie. He wants to go on his big slide.
Oh, what are you gonna do, Max?
Yeah. You should move it out so you can get around the back and open that door.
Look, you got something else. Look.
You got a soccer ball and basketball. Yay.
Carla, you got all the dolls too.
Yeah.
Surprise.
You do even hair and stuff.
Oh, that's very cool.
I see.
Come on, open it up, Max.
Open it up.
Yeah, I don't think you.
Oh, bowling.
Look, Max. And you got a red guitar.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, this looks like a
You got
toy
this
room.
one, Max.
Is that from Sippy?
No,
I think that's
from
from Papa and Gracie.
How Funny, I almost bought it.